Hey gardeners, meet the Carpathen 100ft drip irrigation tubing, perfect for any drip irrigation system. This black PVC tubing features a flexible and durable design with a 5/16 inch inner diameter and 7/16 inch outer diameter. It's easy to cut and install as a mainline to water raised beds, orchards, window boxes, or garden rows efficiently. The tubing is UV resistant and suitable for both underground and above-ground use, ensuring year-round durability. Plus, it helps reduce water waste and lowers your water bills by delivering water directly to your plants. With included digital guides, you'll get expert tips to grow your fruits and vegetables like a pro. Make watering simple and effective with Carpathen irrigation tubing today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.